I heard this is a blogger with 5 million followers across the entire internet. Who made this solder paste? Pick the right tools, suffer less on repairs. Hello everyone, this is Panda-Lab. In this episode, we're reviewing Mr. Yang's medium-low temperature solder paste. I searched Mr. Yang's official store. This solder paste series comes in 4 temperature grades. According to the product details, the product weight is listed as 50 grams. The packaging itself doesn't indicate this. 2 temperature grades of solder paste. The overall weight of each single can is 50 grams. We cleaned out all the solder paste from the cans. The packaging weight is 14.6 grams each. 50 minus 14.6 equals 35.4 grams. I bought it based on the product description, thinking that 50 grams was the solder paste weight, only to get 35.4 grams. Is this how you treat your 5 million followers? Are you really that desperate for a few extra grams? Let's check if the melting point matches what's labeled. Since the hot air gun offers strong controllability, we'll test it on a heating plate for more fairness. Also, I stirred the solder paste before heating. The 140C low temperature solder paste started melting at 136 degrees. Melting point 136C. Now looking at the 183C medium temperature solder paste, its melting point. I'll chalk up a few degrees to thermometer deviation. But a 10-degree difference? What else is there to say? Let's take a look at the solder balls after heating. The 140C low temperature solder ball is very shiny. Hardly any scattered solder beads. The flux is also fairly transparent. Just stating the facts, they did a good job on this part. The 183 solder ball is also very shiny. Ball formation is excellent, but the flux is slightly yellowish. Barely X. Both of Mr. Yang's solder pastes are underweight. Both get 2 points deducted. The melting point deviation for 183C is too large. Points deducted. Ball formation is excellent for both. Conductivity gets 1 point deducted for both. The 183C solder ball has some flaws. 1 point deducted. The 140C low temperature solder paste scores 7 points. The 183C medium temperature solder paste scores 4 points. Compared to previous reviews, Mr. Yang scored the highest among low temperature solder pastes. 7 points is still pretty good. If the weight met the standard, it would be nearly perfect. Which brand would you like to see reviewed next time? Leave it in the comments. Panda-Lab, see you next time.